So what I have to do, I have to write the pattern. So we know that I have to take the first two variables I and j. I will take to this variable, and this is the index number is the integer. So I need take a data type as an integer, because if I am going to work on the some project, on we are going to write the some code and some program we are going to develop, that we must be know that on which data we are going to the work. Okay, so as a programmer I am going to just say, hey, I am here working on the integer data type. Okay, right? So now I am going to take the two variables. One is acting as the for row I, and j will be act as a for the columns. That's it. So I declare the two variables here, and I and j. And now finally what I want to do here, I want to execute the loop here, because I know that in the pattern here, inside the pattern 0 to 1, 1 to 2 and 2 to 3, जब हम when we are going to movement on this column part and when we are going to the rows part, we need obviously loop here, right? So now I am going to take the loop here, that is the one loop, this is the for loop. So today I want to this code with the help of while loop. I will use the while loop here. Okay, so better understanding the for loop and while loop is the better, but I am not going to the consider here while loop, because while loop is a lengthy code is there that we are going to the write. I will not use that, but I will use the only for loop. Okay, so for loop I am taking this, and for loop is that inside that I will tell first is the I value. That means what is the value of I? I will be a start from here 0. Okay, I will be a start from the 0th here. So I am going to just say I will be a start on the 0th position. Now this one is over, and now I am going to say I less than equal to 2. Okay, so I am, what is the condition here? I less than equal to 2. I am giving to this condition here because I have to move from 0 to 2 index, 0 to first and first to 2. So my last position will become on the second index number, right? Yes or no? So here we have to go to this point on the 0 to 2 here. So my last condition also 2 is giving here. Now I am going to increment of the I by 1. That's it. So now is the outer loop is going to the work, and finally I am going to the close here, and inside that I am going to use the inner loop. This is the outer loop, this is for the row. Okay, so this loop will be act as your row. Now inside I have to give for the, that is the column, that is the j, I am giving to this part. So I am going to use the column for that. So now I am going to use 4, and inside that I will go to the right j equal to 0, right? So j is the 0 is here, a starting condition, and I will write that j less than equal to, that what is the condition will be there, that's all the last condition is here 3, because j will be moved from the 0 to 1, 1 to 2 and 2 to 3, right? So last condition is giving that here 3 is here. Now I am taking to this and I am giving that here 3. Okay, right? Now j is going to the increment 1 by 1. I am going to the increment here. This is the inner loop. I am going to open the and close the. This is the body for the inner loop, and this is for the, this is your outer loop. Okay, this is for the row and this is for the column. Okay, now inside that I have to write my logic. I am going to write the printf function, and inside that I am going to use the asterisk. That is, I have to the print a star is here, and that's it. I am going to the terminate this statement. Finally I am going to use this printf, and now inside that I am going to use that is a backslash n for the new line for the outer loop, and this code is over. Now finally I am going to the build to this code, and we have to the understand easiest way. So it's going to the compile right now. .exe file is generated. Yes, of course here generated. Now we are going to run this code. Okay, now you can see this pattern here, right? You can see this pattern, whatever I draw is here, right? This is the 4 rows, 4 columns and 3 rows. Now see here, 4 columns and 3 rows, right? And if you have to go for the some separate to this part, so here you have to go for the use the like backslash t will be used that. So what will be the happen, I am going to show you in the code. You have to just mention to this. So what will be the happen, see, I am finally going to the compile. Now go to the run to this code. You can see a space is coming here, right? Like this way, space is here, right? /t you can use that. So if you want to go for the space, you can use that \t, that is the tab is here, right? I hope everybody is getting, and thank you to watching to this section.